Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for sanitary ware business. So here let's assume that I have a sanitary ware business and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for sanitary ware business. So here let's assume that I have a sanitary ware business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see these are the folders that I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for sanitary ware business. So moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So here Google Sheets will be my action application. Here it is. And the action event will be to add new row, because I want to add the lead details in a new row. So here as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads, as I've already opened Facebook in one of the tabs, and here you can see the connection is successful. So now here I need to select the page which I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here this is the page that I've created for my sanitary ware business. It is by the name of Sam Plumbing and Sanitary Ware. So over here in Pabbly Connect, from this page drop down, I'm going to select the page as Sam Plumbing and Sanitary Ware. So once I've selected my page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form that I've created before. So I want to use this lead gen form that is by the name of contact form Sam Plumbing and Sanitary Ware. So here this is how the form looks like, and I want to go ahead with it. So this here is the name of this lead gen form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the same from the drop down. So once I've selected my page and the lead gen form that is associated with my page, so now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do that, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So here I will go to the page. And now in Meta for Developers, we will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, we will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, we will go to Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page that is by the name of Sam Plumbing and Sanitary Ware. Here it is. Once I've selected it, now from this form drop down, I'm going to select the form as contact form. So here I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form, and I fill in the details like email, full name and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on next, and now I will click on submit. Here it says thanks, you are all set. So I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And over here you can see I've just received a response. Here is the email, full name, phone number, created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead I have created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect automatically. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to add the same in my Google Sheets. So to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply sign in with Google. So here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads New. It consists of 3 columns and of 1 sheet. So here the 3 column exists for lead email, lead name and the phone number. So this is the Google Sheet which I want to use. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New, and as it only consists of 1 sheet, so it is selected here automatically. Moving to lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here to mention all of these details, I'm going to use this method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to map the email. Once that is done, I'm going to map the name. After mapping the name, I'm going to map the phone number. So here as I've mapped all of these details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now moving to save and send test request to see the response. And here you can see I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the test lead details is successfully added. Here is the lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here that means the lead received through Facebook lead ads, the details are added over here in Google Sheets automatically. So that means this integration and automation is a successful one. Now, whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets in a new row. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.